I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the obvious but crucial items. Update Brawl Stars and your device OS so rendering bugs are less likely. Once done, open app permissions and ensure touch input and overlay access are enabled. These control layers can cause transparency issues if blocked. Make sure to close background apps and restart the device to free GPU memory. Now launch the game and go straight to the controls menu, so you can diagnose the transparent elements in real time. You now address the middle, detailed steps. In Controls, hit Reset to restore the default layout, then re-add any custom buttons one at a time to spot which causes transparency. Next, open Graphics and lower Effects, Shadows, and Particle Quality because overloaded rendering often yields transparent UI. If available, toggle Rendering Mode or Hardware Acceleration. Some devices prefer one over the other. After each change, test in a practice match so you can observe whether transparency persists or which tweak fixed it. You finish by eliminating remaining causes. If transparency remains, back up your settings and reinstall Brawl Stars to clear corrupted assets. Make sure your device GPU drivers or firmware are current, since driver issues create rendering artifacts. Once reinstalled, reapply your controls and test thoroughly. If problems continue, collect a short screen recording and a list of changes you made, then contact Supercell support with that log. This targeted info speeds diagnosis, and usually one of these final steps resolves stubborn transparent controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.